Hey guys, I have some Japanese beetles that are tearing up my weeping cherry tree in my landscaping. So today I'm going to talk about these two products on Dad Jobs DIY. Let's go on another adventure. Okay, so first off, you can see just the amount of beetles. Well, they're just covering this tree and eating it alive. Well, we gotta get rid of them, okay? So we're gonna use a product that is known to be a solution for this issue. All right, let's go. I have these two products that are known to be successful at taking care of Japanese beetles. It is one, this Sevin Insect Killer by Garden Tech. The other one is this Spectracide Bag-a-Bug Japanese Beetle Trap. Let's give it a try. I'll let you know how it goes. Wow, did you guys see all of them fly out? Pretty good. I still see some. There's still some there. Hopefully they start taking off. Let's do another coat. Okay guys, we're about 3 hours in. I don't see any beetles. I do see a lot of dead ones down underneath though. All right, so far so good. All right guys, so this was AJ with Dad Jobs. I would give a big thumbs up and 5 at Dad Jobs DIY hammer score to the Sevin Garden Tech Insect Killer Repellent for Japanese beetles. Our tree should be recovering and will be good. I would highly recommend it. So use it safely. If you haven't yet, please do comment below if this video was helpful for you. We greatly appreciate your support. Please like and subscribe. It's because of you dads, moms, and DIYers out there that make this channel possible. We'll see you on the next Dad Jobs DIY adventure. All right, thanks. Have a great one.